so many people don't believe, it means it is not true. For in reality, there are things that cannot be seen by our naked eye, but we firmly believe them, right? Like an ear. But all of us, all people, perhaps believe. Though we cannot see air, but we believe it is real. And God is more than an air. He is an entity. He is real. Although there are things on the part of God that are very hard to understand. That's why Deuteronomy 29:29 says, secret things belong unto the Lord our God. Yeah. There are things that are hard to understand about God. They are hidden. Okay? But there are things that God had revealed to man. Okay? But those things which are revealed belong unto us and to our children. God allowed us to understand some parts or portions about God. Because we cannot really fathom the depthness of God in His being almighty, being eternal, being omniscient, all-knowing God, and being omnipresent God. We cannot really fathom the depthness and mystery of God. If we can understand everything about God, then God is no longer God. Because we become like Him, we are equal with Him already. So how can you respect and give worship to a person or a thing that you are only the same, right? But the Bible reveals things about the reality of God. And He allowed us to dig some parts about God that we can purely understand. We can surely understand. These are belong to us and to our children.